Hopefully this goes better this time and it doesn't self-destruct. Okay, that's actually about 76 decibels that time. Okay, well, again, it didn't end well, but 117, that's good, I guess. I mean, I do have another one of these motors, so maybe I could try building 2 blowers, I don't know, but the main issue is, well, first of all, it self-destructs, and also, this is not nearly big enough. Yeah, not exactly supposed to fall out like that. This hole isn't nearly big enough for the output on the blower, so need to model and print another one of these, and then it should be a lot louder.